Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Tuesday, December the 11th, 2012. Looking at a couple of charts today, starting off with the NASDAQ. This is one we talked about yesterday. We told you we saw a bullish pattern forming. We also mentioned on Friday we'd be a buyer of this scenario, and this is broken out to the upside here. Very bullish condition here. We've also seen that the downtrend has been broken today. That means basically the high point here was taken out by today's activity here, and that means that downtrend is completely over. You can bet against that, but you'd be wrong. So don't do that. Basically what we're looking at here is that we're expecting this to test the 3100 level relatively easy. You may even test the previous highs, and that's what we're seeing in the European market. So stay bullish on this condition here. But once you've broken out, there's different things that can happen, and especially with the fiscal cliff out there, we could see a lot of different scenarios that I could paint for you guys here. The main thing to tell you is that I don't care if you go here and then go lower. I don't care if you go up to here and pull back. The very next pullback, I don't care how it's sliced, but the very next pullback will be a buying opportunity. You know that because your high point here is now going to be a higher point here. That's going to be an uptrend like this. And then your next pullback, assuming that you don't take out this low point here, which would take some serious doing, would actually just be a pullback to give you a series of higher lows. That low point right here, and this low point where that one would land, and then you would have an uptrend like this, and you'd be a buyer in that scenario. So no matter what happens going forward, you're going to have some, whiplash in the markets because you have the fiscal cliffs and politicians are going to be playing chicken with each other. The main thing is just be a buyer. That's the main thing to do here. For those of you who might have been betting against this little bullish condition that we have here on the NASDAQ, you see this little strong point here and this downtrend here. You can see that we're looking like a nice little bullish wedge formation. If you were betting against that, you're wrong. You've been stopped out. And if you're feeling like you've been left behind, you haven't actually. This is actually still a good quality buy opportunity. The breakout is oftentimes what people use to signal their entry points. So with the breakout, the only thing you want to know is to have good volume on it, and we'll actually scroll down here and show you that indeed you do have strong volume, or at least above average volume. And that's what you're looking for. When your volume is strong on the breakout, that's a confirmation signal. That's definitely something you want to be a buyer of. So you're not too late. You bet against us, you lost your money, but you can always make some more back, so that'll work for you. Moving now to the TSX, the Toronto Stock Exchange, you'll see that this one is also broken out to the upside, closing above this little resistance line we were seeing right here, and this is a good quality buy opportunity as well, looking for a test of the previous high here as the next line of resistance in the sand. So that's something that you make some money on here. Basically, we're looking at the first leg here, consolidation period, and looking for a second up leg equal to the first. So that would make perfect sense to be testing that previous high and probably take it out. This is, again, something you can be a buyer of immediately. It's why we've marked it with a blue arrow, and this chart, as well as several others that we've updated on the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, are on the website, so you can check them out whenever you like. They're updated every single night. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, and please refer a friend. You will notice that the market section here will provide the nightly market analysis videos, but every single day we also issue a trade alert right here. We've got several on the long side that we've been issuing this week, so we recommend you check them out. You also find other cool stuff here, and that's about it. God bless, take care, be safe, see you tomorrow, and that's it. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.